back to Mr. Times, and today we are here with a new video. And today, in the part one, I guess, of I accidentally made this much. So let me tell you guys what I did. We had two parts, so we attached.
I think that would be a start, but then
So
how are
now,
we planning to share?
yes, so now we had three parts: one, two, and three. So we combined that all. This one we combined with that two rectangular plates with this one, and now this one is attached to this base one part. And now let us continue with this quickly. So yeah, we have completed it till this much. So you can see how much big is it. So now let us understand little bit concept of this. So afterwards we are going to program it in part 3 because it will take a lot of time because we are on step number mm, 17 of the booklet, but in the booklet you will not find the step to attach it with this, but I have attached it. It's very hard, it takes time, but you can try it. I'll tell you the holes. Leave 3 holes from forward from both the sides, and don't attach it over here. It will come in between and stuck this, as you can see over here. So upper one, okay. Now, just a second here. Yes. Now we were on that step 17. Yes, and we have almost 29 steps. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 20, okay. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I have almost 13 steps left. So let's quickly do it. For the next step, we will need an ultrasonic sensor. Now let me show you what is an ultrasonic sensor. It will look like this. Then at the last, when we are done with this, in this video only, I'll explain you the concept how all these sensors work and which are basic and advanced and difference between both of them. And the programming we'll do in part 3. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe it, do like it, do click the bell button, and do share it as much as possible, and do see the part. So where we have to attach the ultrasonic sensor, I'll do. So over here we have done this much over here, okay. Okay, you might see that there is a lot of light coming. Just a second, and just move the window. Now still alive. Is the light coming now? Okay, it's still coming. Just a second. I'll change my angle because then you'll not be able to understand that where I'm putting, in which hole I'm putting. So now you'll be able to see it clearly, right? So this ultrasonic sensor, as we learned before also. So okay. So now in this we'll do the coding in part 3, which I already said. So where we have to attach it, you can see over here. So 1, 2, 3. After leaving 3 holes from this center line, 1, 2, and 3 over here and over here in these 2 holes. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, now I'm just marking it. I have a screw next to me. Okay, so that I'm just putting the screw in it to mark it. So what I said, after leaving 3 holes from the center line over here. Okay, are you able to see it? Yes. Over here. You can take a close look. Now let me just open it right there. Afterwards, how these sensors work, because if you don't know that, then what's the use? You don't know the main theory of it. So now I'm just quickly putting this one, and now it will be facing downwards. Okay, so now I'm just attaching it and the other one, other screw. And guys, don't use these screws, okay, to attach for your sensor. It may damage your sensor and your sensor. These steel screws, small one, will be that. Use those. That is the best option. So now we have attached it over here. As you can see, you will think that there is some background effect over here because it's coming blurry. But as you, if you are my old year, you might be knowing that I don't use anything. It's just the video is light. So like this, see. So here is the ultrasonic sensor attached, and this can detect up to 40 centimeters. That is the important thing you should know. Now, my God, where is it? It's hard to identify, but yes. So over here, we have to attach the brain somewhere. Wait. Now, let me take the brain. Then we will see how to attach it. Yes. So now, you might have been attaching over here, but this time we have to attach the battery from the battery. Okay. Because this time there is no option to attach from that. If you are attaching from the battery, do it from there only. Okay, so now what we will be doing is, now first we need to check it. One, it's very hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm not understanding, so I'll see the last picture. Okay, so we have to attach the screws like this in such a way that it comes like this. So we have to put, you can put it in random hole, but make sure it doesn't touch like the buttons when they're very close from here. It should be at a little bit distance. Okay. So now it's I'm putting it at any position, but it's higher from the ground because it's your choice. I'm putting it here. It's not compulsory to put it here. If in the booklet it's mentioned, then you can put it, because over here I buy this crate in December in 2021. So if there is some changes, I don't know. So now let me just attach it quickly. Oh my God, why is it not getting attached? Oh, okay, I understood the problem. Be careful over here. Okay, don't put it as a random position. There's a small problem that I noticed just now. બાપુ ને પછી બ્રેન ને ત્યાંની બેટરી ને મોકલાવી દેજો આ બ્રેન ની જો અહીંયા આવો તો અહીંયા આવો અને બેટરીમાં અહીંયા થોડો ક્રેક આવ્યો છે હલકો સો ક્રેક છે એના લીધે લાગતું નથી બરાબર
એમાં ક્રેક છે
અહીંયા જો वो बाबू
मैं खाने के साथ दिखा जा मत दिखा दो
टॉर्च लाइट कर. Oh, sorry guys. So now just a second. It's not working. Okay, so now guys, there was a small issue. The brain was not getting connected because the battery had got a bit of crack. So one of the screws were not attaching. So I used a big screw and attached it like this. Okay, don't attach it like this, but suddenly a small problem, and I'm extremely sorry. You could see everything. It wasted little bit of time. So now let us continue with it. We have to use again a big metal part. Now let me circle that metal part. Yes. So for this, you will be needing these. Okay, these structures. So the speciality in these structures is that not speciality, I would say it's L beams. Okay, so L beams and L channels, you'll be confused a bit. So let me clear it to you. It's a 12.5 L beam. I'll also check in the book 12.5 L beam so that I can know that if I'm correct or wrong. 12.5 L beams. So it's this one only. From one side, there is nothing, and from one side there is. See over here, there's a curve from one side, and it's not from one side. We need two of these. So, and another important component you will be needing in this are the D plates. Now let me quickly tell you what these D plates are. Okay, I have one D plate. Just a second. I have two. Actually, you need two D plates. I'm showing you one of it. Just a second. Let me search for it in the kit. So where is it? Yes, I've got the D plate. This is one of the D plate. It will look like in D shape. I would not say exactly. Little. If you observe carefully, it will look right. So you need two of these. I have one in my hand and the second. Just a second, I'm just searching for it. Yes, because I used it in a previous video in which I showed you a robot. Okay, now I'll just quickly dismantle this plate also. Yes. So now I have two D plates. And now let me quickly tell you how to attach it, because the video has been of 13 minutes and last video was of 40 minutes. So don't think that it's too much time, so let's not waste our time. That I have given a detailed explanation. Like this video, I have not skipped little bit. I had skipped it because I didn't know. I just did it blindly. So now we have this. Okay, from one side we don't have, from one side yeah. So we have to hold it like this, and we need to take one D plate, and these two, this top two ones, no, you can see the top 1, 2 and 3. There are the top 3 holes in that 1 and 2. We are going to take this hole and this hole. Okay, and now over here the side it's curved, no? From that you will see this long type of hole. Over there we are going to attach it. Okay. After attach and secure it with the bolts. Okay, now I'm just quickly doing it with the nuts. Okay, I'm just quickly securing it with the nuts. 1, 2, 3, and tada. Yes. Now I attached it like this, and now as you can see, it's like this. See, if I keep it straight also, it will be a little bit bent. So now we'll make. Wait. We'll make a duplicate, the copy of it. Okay, makes a duplicate of it. Yes. So like this only. This part which has no curve should be inside, like this. And now I'm going to make the other one. And then I need something, some structure. With that I'm supporting it. So now, if I'm just pausing the video and making the other structure. And guys, one more important thing, that this curved part should face out, okay, not inside. Okay, so this curved part should face outside. So if according to that only you, if that if that curved part is inside and that straight part is outside, no, then it will not work properly. Or if you see it, it will look like some alag, means some different sound. Okay, so now and guys, if do comment me in the comment box that should I make my videos in Hindi or English or in both. So now I'm just quick. Yes. So yes. Um, now I'm almost about to complete it, and if it's not tightening, don't worry, you have the Allen key. So now I'm just quickly tightening it. Done. And now we are done with two assemblies like this. As you can see, they are looking the same. Now what we are going to do is, we again need a 12.5 rectangular plate. Okay. So till now we only used one of it, right? Now we are going to use the other one of the 12.5 rectangular plate. So and guys, I'm again telling you, if you have not dismantled any of your previous projects, please do it. Otherwise, there will be less materials, or in between you have to open that thing, and this will waste a lot of time. If you do it before looking at any video or before starting any of your new project, then it would not at all waste even single minute of time. So this was just a small different strategy you can use to save your time. If you know where I'm going, if you don't know, then you can follow it if you want. It's not like I'm forcing you that you need to do this only, otherwise this and that. I'm just telling you, I'm just giving you an option, strategy, okay. So now let us. Oh my god! Oh. Just a second, guys. I'm pausing the video. I have to dismantle this because, as you know, I upload a lot of videos. And after doing something, I want to show it to my cousins or someone. So I just save it. I just don't break it. But whenever I have to make the next video, I have to open it just to show it to you. And guys, you know this is the first video in which I'm teaching you how to make it. Huh? Otherwise, in other videos, what I do, sometimes I uploaded these shorts in which I put any song, whichever didn't use that song. I just clicked on it and I made it. I just uploaded it, or I just gave a quick review of it. My truck builder things. But this is the first video in which I'm going to teach you. Okay, part 1, part 2, and part 3 of vending machine. So now I have this plate, and now we have to attach it with this plate. But now your question will be that where to attach it, right? So this you will be attaching just a second. So where do you know? So, okay, it's very hard because oh my god, why is it not attaching like this also? Why is it not going inside? Let me try for the other side. Side also now. Just now it was going for one side. I just now tried it. What happened to it? Okay, now where we should touch it, I'll see it once again. Okay, so we need to take this, and now I've held it like this. Oh, okay, you cannot see it. If you can, how much minutes? 22 minutes, and this video will also be of 40 minutes. Huh? We are lagging behind, so it might take part 4 because it's a very big thing. Oh, where is it? Yes. So now I'll just quickly attach it from here. अरे पाठवा की तो जंगा भी क्यों अटलो बदा so खबर. And now from the other side also we are going to attach it. After attaching it a little bit, I'll show you. Huh? Oh my god, it's very heavy. Be careful, huh? I'm telling you again and again, these metal parts are like actually too heavy. Oh, you might have a confusion. I also have it, but do not get confused. Huh? This is a small confusion you might have, or you might not have, because this is dependent on you. I had this confusion, so afterwards I'll tell you the confusion which might happen with you. So now I attached it to one side. I'm almost about to attach it for one side. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5. By the count of 10, almost. I'll attach off both the sides. Okay, I'll show you how does it look. 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number is 10, and the time is up in 3, 2, and the last number is 1. Okay, I've attached it on both the sides. And now, okay, like this. And now it's movable. Huh? But now what we have to do is, just a second. I think we'll be covering this in next step. So now you'll be reading what 12.5 L channels. Two, not one. You will need two of them. Okay, two of them. These, and now we have to connect them. So now. Just a second now. I just have a small confusion. I will just clear it and get back to you. Oh, I don't know why they have given it like this and this. What if we attach it like this? There will be a problem. Okay, I'm not going according to the book because I think there's something wrong in this. Okay, according to me, huh? I'm not understanding what it is. Little of the part, so that's why. Now we have to attach these two here. Okay. Oh, why is it not? Oops. It will be a bit hard. To make this vending machine because like it will take a lot of time and more videos, and you will need to search for more things, and it will take a lot of time. So now I'm just quickly attaching it. Again, now as you can see, I've attached one of its side, this, and now I'll be attaching the other one. Okay. And now this other one. And now I'm just arranging it accordingly. And over here, this comes over here. So where is that old? Just a second. Yes. Bolts over here. So now I'm just attaching it quickly. Actually, you'll find that I'm going slow and I'm getting confused in the last part because I had actually made one more video before this in which I had explained the whole process, but I don't know what happened. Suddenly it stopped and it deleted. I don't know what had happened, but something happened just now like that. So now I just did it. That time I just said how to do these things which I skipped over here in part 2, but I don't know how it got deleted. So uh, when I made it the second time also the same thing happened. Then I tried to switch the network and now it's all right. So see, now we have attached it from both the sides. Now we will be attaching one more motor. The high torque, no, you'll be not do not attach the high torque motor. Attach this what do you see? Yes, this high speed motor. If you want to attach the high torque one, it's your turn. But according to the booklet and me also, high speed would be best in this case. So now you just put here attaching it, and now guys, you must know the hole. Otherwise, you'll attach it front and back and say, "This is not working. Please check." Like that. In some videos, I had heard that people say it like this. So I'm telling for your information. Okay. So now, in which holes I'll be telling you in the booklet also. Let me check because these holes are the main problem. Yeah, just a second. I'm just talking to myself. Okay. Deep plates. I also exactly. I don't know the exact hole. I'm just giving you a hint. Okay, so I've got a little bit of hint by looking at the picture. It is likely over here. I'll just attach this and see if it is working or not. Oh my god, it has become very heavy. And in this, don't put the screws tera mera, because like in the mold, put it properly, insert it properly. Otherwise, you might find very much difficulty in removing those. So now I've attached it, and we'll need this. What do you say? We'll need this axle. I have one axle with me. I've inserted the axle. Okay, no, not 7.5. Which axle is it? 5.5 axle shaft, and connected with the high torque motor. And one of the 7.5 beam of the structure from step 22, which we did. And now add 5 filler wheels in 5.5 motor shaft. So I have 5 filler wheels. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm adding these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've added 5, as you can see. Now, what we have done till 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. We have just 5 more steps remaining. Let's quickly do it. Now for this step, you'll be needing these. What do you say? 3 hole connectors. So 3 hole connectors might get damaged. So for me also, a few got damaged in between. When I didn't used to upload these videos, I mean when I used to upload these videos, okay, but long ago when I used it in the smart dust, that time it was like not in a normal condition and it was not working properly. So Now my father has exchanged it for okay, now yes, now we have to attach it with this part. Okay, from both the sides we need to insert this screw, one from one side, uh, and now from the other side. Oh, is this empty or something that? Just a second. I had dismantled so many things right now. So, my god, the screws are a little bit less for taking this because it uses a lot of screws. I have to attach many different parts. So, I also have the bridge kit add-on. Means my advanced micro degree course. So from that I have another robotics pro nuts and bolts. So I'm using one from it. See, it looks brand new. Now I'm just using one for, okay, so now I'm just quickly attaching it. See, you might see the difference in these. Oh, this is the one I just received before 2 to 3 days, the bridge kit add-on, and this the pro kit add-on, and this is the one which is old one. So that's why it's not shining as much as this one. And the last one is 2. Is it not coming? Yes. And guys, let me tell you that don't attach these black things inside this. So now I'm just quickly attaching it. 1 and 2. And guys, if I'll mention the link of the app from which you can buy these kits. No, you cannot buy the Bro Kit add-on from this. That advanced course also you'll not get in that. You'll get only the starter course, starter, advanced, and pro in that also. No, but I have to the advanced course. After I have to complete the pro course of that time you can do the advanced course. So my advanced course is started. It will be starting in 1 week. So now, but I've made the vending machine one time before this, so it's easy for me. But I'm going slow so that you guys can also catch up. Okay, so now, as you can see, and now the ball should be bigger in size, otherwise it would make a problem. Yes, so now, yes. Now we have to secure it with axle lock. Okay, in this video only we'll do the mechanics part, and I'll also explain the sensors quickly after this. In the next video I'll do the programming. I thought that I could fit it in this video only, but it is too big, so we couldn't fit it. Now we need to attach these both assemblies, which is the hardest task I think in this role, because over here you have to take 2 metal parts and attach it, and I don't know how these 2 D plates are going to take the weight of all these metal parts which are attached to it and keep it steady on this. Let's see. And before that, we have not tightened the D plates. Do tighten it, because I think it can fall because last time when I applied it loose, it was like shaking a lot, so that's why. We have attached it very tight. I have tightened every part of this, so now it is not shaking. And if I have to attach, oh my god, so much, it's very heavy. We need to attach it how? Yes, we need to attach it like this. No. Yes. Oops. Just a second here. These filler wheels fell into this mighty structure. You will find it hard, as I told you. It's a very hard task for me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is this brain safe? Yes, finally secured. I've just attached it. My god, this also came out just a second ago, guys. I don't know today what's up with the brain, but the brain is not so proper. I don't know why. I need to exchange the battery, I think, because in the battery these taps are called all these things. I think so. I'm not sure. No, what is it?